Hello Orchid Maniacs! It's a horrible weather outside and it's been raining for a week and it's dark all the time, so this is a really nice treat. It's my Tolumnia peach that we've mounted together, if you remember. And I really love the color of the blooms. And some of the blooms have spots on the other side. So I'm very happy to see it finally. Now let's look at the mount itself. Well, we got some roots growing. They're not attached to the mount yet, but they will be someday. So yeah, it's doing nice. Oh, look how cute they are. It's the back side of the blooms. Okay, let's look at the other mounts as well that I haven't showed you. Let's just wait till I get them. So these are the other Tolumnias. And they're growing roots as well, as you can see. So the pine bark works great, even if it's taken from the nature, as long as it's been dead for a long time, so it's gonna work great. I need to water them now because I haven't watered them yet. But yeah, one last look at my Tolumnia peach. Come on, focus on the blooms. It's very dark, so I have to turn the lights on. It's hard to film. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. And regarding fragrance, I know that many people find Tolumnias non-fragrant, but actually I can sense some sort of smell. It's very, very mild and pretty much next to nothing, but I can really feel something. So to me, all of my Tolumnias are fragrant, and the fragrance is something like, I don't know how to describe it, maybe like grass or something like that.